Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today I wanted to do a little bit of a grocery haul because we were pretty much out of a lot of basics that we like to keep on hand, as well as some seasonings, and we needed some extra stuff on hand because Austin's having some mouth work done, so we needed a few soft things. So we have a ton of groceries here. I ordered from two stores. I ordered from BJ's and Giant. You'll notice there is not a lot of produce here because we are getting our Hungry Harvest box over the weekend. So I didn't get a ton of produce since we're getting a bunch in that. If you're interested in seeing that, just let me know and I could film another Hungry Harvest unboxing. I have several on my channel if you're interested. And let's go ahead and get started. I want to start in the front because there's a lot of stuff here. And I figure we'll go through, I'll remove some of it, and then we'll go through the next layer. So we only needed a few canned things. I got 4 cans of these no salt added black beans. They're the organic Giant brand. Nature's Promise is their own brand. So I got those, and I also got the Nature's Promise organic tomato paste. I got 2 of those, and those are the only canned things I bought. We didn't need anything else there. So next I got the Once Again creamy almond butter. I don't normally buy this brand because it's very expensive. It's usually over $20, but this was over half off. So I decided to go ahead and get it since I do really like this brand. And then I also got these banana peppers. We have been loving having banana peppers on our chickpea mash sandwiches. So we needed another jar of those. I got cornstarch, which is probably the most boring thing in this whole order, but it's just something that we have for recipes, and we ran out, so I got a new one of those. I got the Annie's Tuscan Italian dressing. Now, I do not normally buy this. This is my first time getting it, but I wanted to try it out with a pasta salad type recipe, and it is vegan. And then I got 2 of my favorite, the Annie's Goddess dressing, just for my salads, because I love this. I also love dipping like potatoes or tater tots in these dressings because they're so good. I got 2 pasta sauces, just a very basic tomato basil pasta sauce. We usually zhuzh up our sauces anyway, but got 2 of those. Normally that's something that I would purchase from BJ's, but they were out of that, so I got 2 of them from Giant. An Italian seasoning, not the most exciting thing, but we needed this. I got some organic celery. I had just looked back on some of my old pictures, my food pictures, and saw celery in a few recipes, so I wanted to get some because it looked really good. 1 red onion, nothing too exciting there. I got these teeny tiny taco shells. I didn't realize these were going to be so small, but I mean, they will do the job. They are very tiny taco shells. Like, as you can see, my hands are little. These are little shells. I got 3 of the Just Egg. We love the Just Egg, and with Austin needing to eat softer foods soon with his dental work, this is going to be perfect because Just Egg is nice and soft. Moving on, as you can see, Fran has been a naughty cat and jumped on the table to join us. We got some ice cream. We have a chocolate cookies and cream, a vanilla, and a plain chocolate. So this one's made with coconut milk, and these 2 are made with cashew. I prefer the cashew personally, but they're all delicious. Then we have some organic blueberries. I have been on a blueberry kick lately. I don't know why. I've just been enjoying them a lot in my salads, in my yogurt. I got some organic grape tomatoes just for salads and pastas, 2 of my favorite things. We got some bananas. We've been going through a lot of bananas. I also have bananas added to our Hungry Harvest box too, so we have plenty of bananas coming our way. 2 of the Daya mac and cheeses. They'll be nice and soft, but also we love to have them on hand anyway because they're just delicious. I love adding broccoli to it. Then we have from BJ's these little like demi-baked breads. So they're mostly all the way baked and you bring them home and finish baking them and they're just delicious. I love making garlic bread with these. We ran out of walnuts, so I got some more walnuts. We have 2 sausages, the turkey spinach pesto, which I love, and then the Light Life Jumbo Smart Dogs, which Austin is a fan of. We got cheddar shreds and mozzarella shreds. I have been a bigger fan of Good Planet recently, but Good Planet isn't really sold in any of the local stores, so I got the Daya. Moving on to the rest of the stuff, we have olives. I love getting the big jars because I go through a lot of olives. I am an olive fiend. So we have the pitted calamatas and then the green ones stuffed with garlic and jalapeno, which are delicious. I love those. We also have a berry blend from BJ's. This is the Wyman's brand. This one actually has banana in it too, which is really nice if you don't have bananas on hand. So we got that, and we got that specifically because it doesn't have raspberries or blackberries. Austin finds the little seeds kind of get stuck in his teeth sometimes, and that is a valid concern. So we've been trying to avoid the ones with those. Probably once it's summertime and I'm getting more smoothies in, we probably will go to a mix that has those just because I love raspberries and blackberries. But for now, this one is definitely doing the job. Got some organic romaine. I finished up our romaine last night. I had a salad for dinner. And we also got this mixed fruit blend with pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mango just to mix it up, a little something different. You can never have too many Gardein chicken nuggets, right? So we got those. And then we got these vegetable pot stickers, which are vegan, and they are so good. I love these things. Moving on to the last items. This is kind of boring. We just got sponges. That's not really exciting. But, you know, sometimes you need sponges, and this lasts us, like, honestly, forever. And then we have soy milk, which is a staple. Orange juice, which I try not to get every time we shop, but I love orange juice. I'm obsessed with it. It's pretty much one of the only things I drink besides like coffee and water and wine. We were just about out of our good seed bread from Dave's Killer Bread. This is Austin's preference. I like all of the Dave's Killer Breads pretty much, so I just go with the one he likes because I like it too. And then last but not least, some pasta, some rotini and farfalle. Farfalle noodles are my all-time favorite. So I usually get that blend, that mixed box. And that's everything. I've already put away half of it. So that is everything we've gotten in our grocery haul today. Like I said, it was a lot of stuff. We don't usually buy this much stuff in a grocery haul, but we needed a lot of our random staples and stuff, pasta and bread and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I'd love to know what are your must-have staples. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!